Welcome back to Zubeeda's Organic Kitchen. I am so excited to be back here. I miss you guys. See, it can be very challenging when you have a JOB and what I also call an investor, and you also have a dream. Sometimes it's very difficult. This is the first time I've been here for the past 2 months. This virtual schooling is been really hard on everybody, but we got to keep going, especially when you love both of what you do. I love teaching and I love cooking as well. I have some of the most amazing students and I don't want to miss that. Got to do all I can to help them. But this online empire can't wait either. So we have to find a way to do both. Anyway, let's go. Hi guys. If you're new to this channel, please take the time to hit the subscribe button for me. Thank you. So today I'm going to show you how I make my vegan chili with a little bit of an African twist to it. I'm going to add some tecky berries, which is very nutritious and used in some medicinal purposes in Ghana. A lot of people use it when women have children because it tends to prevent anemia. And also some people say it prevents cancer. I will have a blog of it on my website, zubeedasorganickitchen.com. Please check it out, and I also have it on the description of the video, okay? Welcome back, guys. So this is my vegan chili, also with Abeduro in it, which is what we call tecky berries in Ghana. Some people call it cantorsis, some people call it yasantua. There's just so many different names to it. But the bottom line is it's very healthy. Check in the Asian stores, you might find it over there. All right? I have everything that it does on the video. Check it out. All right, I am so grateful. I'm so thankful for all your support. I want to bring you as much as I can so you can stay healthy and take charge of your health. We all know your health is your wealth. Until next time, stay positive, stay healthy, and be your fantastic self. I love you, and I'll talk to you later.